Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today's lesson is the third lesson in the unit Around Town. We're going to be looking at some more grammar in this lesson. Let's go ahead and look at the objectives for today. The first objective says, I know and can use 3 imperative verbs. Imperative verbs are words like go, cross, turn. I can use these words to understand directions. The next objective says, I can give directions using these 3 common imperatives. Let's take a closer look at what imperatives are and what they mean. On the screen, you see that the grammar focus today is about imperatives. Remember, imperative verbs are verbs that create a sentence that gives an order or a command. These imperatives we're going to talk about today are the 3 words go, cross, and turn. Look at the picture of the car and the arrows. The first direction says, go straight ahead. The next one says, go 2 blocks. The third says, go to Main Street. Another imperative is the word cross. In the picture, you can see that the direction says cross Main Street. The last 2 imperatives are the word turn. We have turn left and turn right. Let's practice using these imperatives. In a minute, you're going to see on your screen some pictures. You're going to choose which imperative matches which picture. Let's look at it now. On your screen, you should see 6 photos. You also see 6 imperative phrases. You are going to match or drag and drop the correct imperative under the picture. Go ahead and stop your video so that you can complete the answers 1 through 6. Then when you finish, go ahead and hit play, and I'll tell you the correct answers. Pause that video now. All right, let's see how we did. Let's look at the first picture. The correct imperative for number 1 is go straight ahead. Number 2, turn left. Number 3, go 3 blocks. Number 4, turn right. Number 5, cross Union Street. And number 6, go to Main Street. We got to practice using the 6 imperatives. You might want extra practice, and you can think about giving directions from your house to the supermarket. You could write those down and practice it if you'd like. But let's go ahead and look at the lesson objectives for today. Do you know and can you use those 3 imperative verbs like cross, go, and turn to give good directions? I think you can. Can you give directions using those 3 common imperatives? We had some practice with that as well. So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.